I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the V11PRO drone, a game changer in the world of aerial photography. This thing is a beast, and I'm not just saying that. It's a total powerhouse. I've been flying it for weeks now, and I'm still amazed by its capabilities. It's a high-end drone that's perfect for adult professionals who want to take their aerial photography to the next level. Whether you're a filmmaker, a photographer, or just a hobbyist, this drone has everything you need to capture stunning footage and images. So what is the V11PRO drone? It's a high-end drone designed for professionals who want the best of the best. It's built with premium materials and has a sleek design that makes it look like $1,000,000. The V11PRO drone is packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd, and I'm going to break them down for you. The drone's body is made of high-quality aluminum and carbon fiber, which makes it both durable and lightweight. The design is also very ergonomic, making it easy to hold and transport. The V11PRO drone has an 8K camera, which is insane, and it can fly for up to 80 minutes on a single charge, which is more than enough time to get the shots you need. It also has a 6 kilometers transmission range, which is huge, and a 3-axis gimbal that keeps your footage smooth and stable. The camera is also equipped with a 48MP sensor, which captures stunning images, and it can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, which is perfect for cinematic footage. The specs on this thing are incredible, and it's clear that the manufacturer has thought of everything. The drone also has a number of intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me mode, Orbit mode, and Waypoint mode, which make it easy to capture complex shots. In real-world use, the V11PRO drone is a dream to fly. It's so easy to use, and the footage it produces is stunning. I've been using it to capture aerial shots for my business, and it's been a total game changer. The long flight time and stable gimbal make it perfect for capturing smooth footage, even in windy conditions. I've also been using it to capture photos of landscapes and cityscapes, and the results are breathtaking. The level of detail and clarity is incredible, and the dynamic range is amazing. I've also been experimenting with the drone's intelligent flight modes, and they're really impressive. The Follow Me mode is particularly useful, as it allows me to capture smooth footage of moving subjects. The V11PRO drone is also very easy to maintain and repair. The drone's parts are easily replaceable, and the manufacturer provides a comprehensive warranty and support program. The drone also has a number of safety features, including obstacle avoidance and emergency landing, which make it safe to fly in a variety of environments. So what's the verdict? I'd give the V11PRO drone a solid 9 out of 10. It's an amazing piece of kit that's perfect for professionals who want the best. The only thing that's holding me back from giving it a 10 is the price. It's a bit steep, but trust me, it's worth every penny. If you're in the market for a high-end drone, the V11PRO should definitely be on your shortlist. I've been using it for weeks now, and I can honestly say that it's been a total game changer for my business. If you like this review, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I've got plenty of other reviews and tutorials coming up, and I'd love for you to join me on this journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.